Why is Daddy holding a rake in the laundry room? Hey, birdie, birdie, birdie. Hey, birdie. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Okay, okay. That's not a window. Okay, okay, come on. Come on out. Find the door. Look, the door is open. Go find the door. Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. Where is he gonna go? Go to the door. Come on, guy. Oh, my heart's pounding right now. Come on, little guy. Oh, my lips are so dry. I wish I had Evan and Max here to help me whistle for the bird. Boys, if you're watching, whistle for the bird. Come on, guy. I don't want to hurt you. I just want you to go outside. Have a little fly, you know? You like it there behind the laundry machine. Huh? Come on out, little guy. Okay. Okay, we'll wait you out then. I'll wait you out. I'll go right here. Oh, that's a bright sun. Come on out and see the sun, birdie. It's a beautiful day. I'll get you out, don't worry. To be continued.